Chevy here coming at you with a brand spanking new arrival. It's a 2023 CrossRoads Zinger 340BH. This is the little brother of that unit right there. That's the CrossRoads Volante. Triple slide bunkhouse with an awesome master bedroom to die for. 2 AC units. This is a 50 amp travel trailer with a large outside kitchen, 2-burner stove, sink, fridge. Awesome spot right there to hang your outside TV. You don't want to hang it there, you want to hang it out here? No problem. Cable connection, power connection. You got the extreme weather package. Oh, focus, people, focus. Is it gonna focus? Well, I guess not. 340BH, front and rear stabilizer jacks.
They're powered.
Got a power tongue jack on the front. These two 20-pound propane tanks will be filled up. Over here, check this out. We got ourselves a slide for the master bedroom, a slide for the U-shaped dinette and sofa, and another slide in the back for the kiddies in the bunk room. Storage compartment out front. We are pre-wired for a solar panel if ever you want to put one on. Underneath the king-size bed. Lots of room here. I see plywood construction in this area. All right, the outside looks good. We got new colors for 2023. Keep in mind, if you want something even fancier in the same floor plan, voila. Okay, walking in the CrossRoads Zinger. Did I mention the outside speakers with LED lights within them? Got solid steps. All right, let me shut this door. There we go. Ooh, it's nice and warm in here. The fireplace is on. Okay. This sofa, that converts into a bed. Take a look at this huge U-shaped dinette. That converts into a bed. We got Furrion fridge. This is a 12-volt fridge. Works on electricity. Ta-da! We got the Furrion Easy Bake Oven. 3-burner stove. High point microwave. We got dual stainless steel sinks. Residential style faucet. Towards the front. Great spot there for your TV. We got a Bluetooth soundbar. Check this out. The master bedroom, yes. Not only are the kids gonna get spoiled, but so is mom and dad. King size bed. Goes up. So storage here, but also behind that wall. Keep in mind there's that outside storage. Closet. Whew. Let's say a very deep closet. Storage up here. And guess what, folks? We got power connection. And look at this. That's right. We're prepped for a washer dryer. You know what that means. You can live in this thing. All right, up next, we got the front closet. Storage up top. Again, nice and deep. Love it. You got that solid door. Dresser. Another spot for a TV. Folks, oftentimes we order these travel trailers without a TV because we find the factory charges an arm and a leg. $750 US for a TV. You can get those for a lot less. Porcelain toilet. Sink. Medicine cabinet. Here's your corner shower. More storage right here for your linens. Kids, you're next. But before we go there, a little bit more pantry space. All right, kiddies. Whoever's been bad gets to sleep on the floor. All right, that sofa does that. That does convert into a bed. Bunk number 3. Bunk number 4. Space there for another TV or your Xbox. Storage. Storage. And just behind that cabinet is the outside kitchen. And that, of course, just goes right in like so. Just kick that in. And if you want more headroom, pas de problème. You got more headroom. Okay, folks. CrossRoads Zinger 2023. If you like, Moncton, New Brunswick is where we're at. I certainly hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.